getting proper levels of testosterone in our system raises our energy, raises our motivation, and we don't want to waste our motivation. We want to use it to better ourselves and help others. And I want to tell you guys a little bit about Michael Murphy. Here's a little bit about Michael.
On June 28th of 2005, a four-man Navy SEAL surveillance and recon team was inserted into the Kunar province of Afghanistan. Lieutenant Michael Murphy was actually the team leader, and when they encountered a host of Taliban terrorists, Lieutenant Michael Murphy intentionally exposed himself to enemy gunfire in order to get a clear communication signal out to reinforce them. Sadly, he was shot multiple times in doing this, and he gave his life there on the field. There was only one survivor of his team. Marcus Luttrell was the only survivor of that Red Wings mission, is what it was called. And if you're looking for a challenge for yourself and you don't know where to start, hey, let me challenge you to try this. It's called the MURPH. CrossFit has named this specific exercise the MURPH, though Michael Murphy invented it, and that's why they call it that in honor of him. He called it body armor is what he called it, but it starts with a mile. You do 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 squats, then you end with a mile, all this with a 20-pound weight vest on. And if you can't do it with the weight vest, well, hey, that's fine. Just do it with your own body weight. I've done it probably about 9 times in my life, some with a weight vest on, some without. Why not try the MURPH and Google it online? Lots of different ways to approach it. Have fun with it, guys, and go all the way to the end, just like Michael Murphy did.